Hi, I'm Darshan, and I came all the way from Chennai to Bangalore to do a hair transplant. And I came to know about this clinic, through one of my friend. So he did a hair transplant here, and then he had a better results. So after looking at him, I wanted to do a hair transplant, and then I was using cosmetic hair before, and it was little itchy, and then it was little hard to maintain. So I thought of like doing a hair transplant. So and then I came to this clinic from Chennai to Bangalore, and then I made a visit here. I spoke to the team, and then I made a visit here, and then they checked my scalp and see how many grafts are required, and then it came around they suggested me around 5,800 or close to 6,000 grafts. So we decided to go for hair transplant, and then so I fixed a date, and then after fixing a date, the guidance from there, it was good. And then even on the day of hair transplant, it was 2 days of session. First day, they had front portion covered, and then second day it was mostly the crown area they were covering. And after surgery, it was close to 5,500 grafts. So surgery went well, and also they took care of me, and they offered me lunch, and the hospitality was very good. So the entire journey was smooth, and I have had no problem with the journey. And then it was painless. It was hardly the injection was a little painful, but after that it was more it's a painless one. It's a painless process, and so far journey is excellent. It's just beyond my expectations. I'm just looking for a better results. Hopefully, in another video, no, I'll just show my results to you guys. I want to thank New Roots and the entire team, and also the surgeon. Thank you, New Roots.